Hi everybody, we are here with Mr. Roche and we are working on Minesweeper and we have gotten ourselves the flag, right? But I wanted to kind of fix this situation tonight because I think it's easy to fix of this. It shouldn't, um, yeah, it shouldn't open that up once you flag it. Okay, so what I want to have happen is if I flag it and then I click, well, that went away. But if I flag it and I click, I don't want that to happen. Okay, I even found a bomb. Okay, so that's the problem for tonight. And I actually think this is pretty easy if we do a couple of things. Okay, so one, I think what we want to need to do is in the mine square. Okay, the square, the thing that controls the squares. We're gonna have to have some ability for the board to know if the show flag is true. Okay, because if the show flag's true and then you click on it again, we should just do nothing. And I think that's a pretty easy fix for our problem. So what we're gonna do is go down here and see how we said toggle flag, right? We're gonna make a small little accessor routine. And this is the thing, we're gonna like reveal some of our data here. And we're gonna go public boolean. Sorry, the thing went down for a second. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm making a small public routine called get show flag, and I'm gonna go like this, and I'm just gonna return show flag. Great. So that's gonna be easy, right? Just like that. Okay. So it's there. It's right down before the end of the class. Okay, and it's right after like toggle flag, which is what we had made. So I'll make a comment here. I'll say, this is an accessor method to um, allow show. Okay, so that gets that done. And then if you go to the panel, what should happen is this. Let's see. Okay, so I'm in the panel, and I'm gonna go to where mouse click happens. So do all this work, and I'm gonna go to mouse click here. Okay. So what I should do is let's see. It's pretty straightforward because if the control flag is down, then you're dealing with the flag, and then else I think we're gonna go like this. Okay, so you're you're at a point where you've clicked a square. You're looking at the square to see if you need to toggle it, and then if you don't, I think what you need to do is go like this. If game board of the row and column dot, and we're going to use that okay, what did you run here? Oh, because I didn't call it game board. I want to see our new function or new method. So if our new method, yeah, where is it? Get show flag. If that equals true, okay, and we can clean that up, but let's let that be there right now so we can all see what's going on. If that's true, then we're just gonna kind of skip it, right? So so really this should be like if it's false. If it's false, then we're just gonna do all this stuff, okay? And what we're gonna do is exactly what we were doing before. So I'm gonna actually just move this to here, okay? And then all this stuff would be inside that if statement. Okay. And you can leave this just like this, that's fine. But people also write it this way. You would say if not game board get show flag. So it means that if the flag's not on. So you do something the flag is not showing. Okay? And let's see if that works, okay? Okay, so here we go. Okay, so I'm going to click on the first one. Shows, okay. I'm going to control click, get a flag. Okay. I'm going to control click and unveil that. That's good. I'm going to control click here. Oh, I forgot to control click. I'm going to control click, get a flag. And then I'm going to click on this, click on this, click on this, click on this, click on this. Click here. Oh, I found a bomb. Sorry. Click here. Click here. Okay. Click here. So all these open up. And then I'm going to have to control click here and then open it up. Wow, I found another bomb. But that works, okay? So let's make that change. So we have control click, access to everything and all the squares, okay? And then if I control click on any one of these, like none of them open up. So that's what we want, okay? So I want to get that fixed. And I also want you to help out with the discussion of what the other kids' stuff. There's a couple kids who don't have flagging working, and we got to get them working too. All right? So that's the assignment for tonight. So do this one small change, and the small change is just make a small accessor method in the Minesweeper class, and then go to game panel and inside mouse click, all we did was we added an if statement here and we ended it here. So what we did is we surrounded what we had before with just this one extra if statement, and that solved our problem. Okay, so thanks a lot. Look forward to seeing your code. Show me that you got this working in a short video and help the people who need help, okay? Make us all feel good. Thank you.